Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I can't wait for Edvin and Gerson to get here so we could talk social media. They really motivated me to start a Facebook page with the same name as this channel. I think I'm also gonna look into a TikTok. I think this has set overnight, and the plan for today, I think, is insulation and drywall. We'll see how things go. Gerson is killing it with the insulation. He's got most of the ceiling done. I'm gonna go buy him some lunch and I will be back. I got him some tacos, but he is still working and already starting on drywall. I thought I would try to help him hold it up, but he doesn't need any help. Bonito. We just finished lunch. Gerson is marking and cutting more drywall. Gonna keep filming and see where we end up today. Got most of the whiteboards on there, doing the more moisture resistant green ones now. They just left. Not only did Edvin convince me to make a Facebook yesterday, but I also made a TikTok this morning. We'll see how those turn out. I think I'm gonna make this its own video. Gerson got so much work done today. I also think there is enough footage of insulation, green, white, drywall. He works so quickly. I'm super excited to see what we do next. Can't wait for them to get here tomorrow. Video 300 done.